Good afternoon. Another project going on the RZR today. The front end tore apart. I'm actually installing rock lights. Easiest way I think to get to the pulse bar area is just to remove the dash. Very accessible. Once you remove the dash, we pretty much have all of the pods mounted so far. Removing the bed also makes it easier to route wires. The rock lights that we went with, Infinite Off-Road, 25-year, you break it, we replace it, unavoidable warranty. I bought a couple of mounts as well. Didn't end up using the mounts, actually found places on the Pro XP that were just for mountable, good places to mount them. Like this one also comes with an RF remote. 2 AAA batteries, so you don't have to wire it through your, run it through your Bledum app on your phone. The reason I didn't do that yet was because we're running 5150 whips, which is also run through the Bledum app. So I haven't tried it yet, but we will before we actually take it out. Try running both through the Bledum app to see how it functions with 2 different manufacturers of lights. So let's do a little quick overview here of where we mounted the lights. So for the rear, we're running the Mudbuster +1 fenders here. So and we have an S&B particle separator on the other side, so it gives us a little bit less areas to mount them. But did a lot of looking online and found some good spaces to mount them. So we mounted one here and the other one on the bottom of the taillight. There's open space on the other side where those bolts went through, so no damage to the light or the housing of the light. And these are the 12-watt light pods, Infinite Off-Road. And we went with 8-count kit. So there's 8 12-watt pods, and it comes with 2 12-inch strips as well. And this is what the 12-inch strips look like. This is 12 inches. And what we did with those is we mounted one in the back here, pointing down, so it lights up the Trinity exhaust there. And we mounted that on the inside of the bed here. For the other side on the rear, same spots. You want to keep unison on both sides so the light appears to be the same when casting onto the ground and the rocks or wherever you be. Here's where we mounted the other one. And we'll get a shot of here of these all lit up when we get them finally installed. But placement for the rock lights, what we do is turn off the lights in the garage and use clamps to hold them in place where I thought they would be good fits, and then kind of adjust the lighting where the lights are, and that's how you come for best placement for the lights. What's the instructions here? Kind of straightforward. There's 2 splitters that it comes with, or 3 splitters. Just branch off of each one. System comes with 3 extensions if you need them. We ran a couple to get to the back rather than coming off of another light, just because the bar wouldn't have been close to the other one. We didn't have 5 feet of cord tangled up in the back here. So we just ran it down through, up under the center console. Easiest way to get the center console off for me is to knot. We have the subwoofer over on that side, so taking the center console out has always been a pain. So what we do is we remove the seats, and we just remove the driver's side. Driver's side, you got a bolt up there on the fuse box, a pin that pops out, a pin that pops out on the top right here, all the bolts along the bottom, 1 bolt under here, the center console piece in the back with the storage spot, and then the whole side just comes out. There's a bunch of little tabs right here that pop out. Carefully you don't pull the blue lights out. During reassembly, we actually pulled the blue light out on the other side, so we had to reach through and plug it back in. But we installed a switch right here. We haven't pushed it all the way in yet, just in case we run into any connectivity issues. We'll wait till the end, and then we'll push that switch in. Here's the the 4 adapter pieces I was telling you about. They just all connect together. And we'll get all those wires neatly tucked up there in the dash. Doing Tetris placement, I'm sure, because we have the center console box that goes up in there. So we got to make sure all the wires are tucked up and out of the way. And for the front here, we went ahead and we're still routing the wires for these, but we put them right here for 1 and 2. They're pretty big pods. We wanted to go with the brightest that we could get. And these are the RGB+W, so they are true white, or bright white, not the yellow white mixture of RGB, but they actually have white diodes in them. So we got those put up there, so we'll go ahead and get those wired in. Across to the other side, we're going to push them through the firewall grommet that's over there, then bring the wires back in. Each light has 11 feet of cable that runs up to the connector, so each light had plenty of wire to run, so no issues at all there. All right, stay tuned here and we'll show you, we'll get these last set of lights installed on this side, and we'll get the wires run. And the last strip light that we have left over there, we're going to put in the front grille at the top, aiming down so the grille lights up from the front. So stay tuned. All right, we have the lights finally done. Came out really good. Everything went back together great. No leftover pieces. And when we put the unit back together, so that's always good. We got the grill light in. Again, these are the Infinite Offroad 12-watt pods, and we did 8 of them. The kit, which includes 2 12-inch strips as well. We did 1 in the grill, and 1 above the exhaust in the back. Lights up the exhaust quite nicely. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.